Wala na ng mango yun.
Awa na.
Mura di out na nila. Nice o ka?
Kasi may bago nila.
Wala.
And this is Crown Regency Hotel and Towers. And this is Metrobank Plaza. This is the circle of Fuente Osmeña.
Yes. Mati ako.
Dear Kuya Pedro. Turn on. Right turn.
Yes, yes. Yes, Josh. Yes.
You're already a grown up today. This is going to executive pension.
Yes. Yes.
This is Fuente Osmeña going to Capitol. This is Cebu Doctors University Hospital. This is Cebu Gospel Church. The sunlight is healthy around 11 o'clock a.m. This is Cebu Doctors Hospital. Going to Dr. Gary B. Rivera's clinic. No. Okay. No. Quiet. This is going to provincial capital. I saw it. Don't say it. This is going to Enveles Street.
Wait to na, wait man.
No.
Wait to.
No.
RTP ko na, wait.
No. We're here in Enveles Street. No talking lab. Going to Hotel Amethyst.
Yes, Amethyst.
No, 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 no. No.
It's better than
No.
lights.
No. No. At S Hotel, you are coughing inside the function room.
Ayaw ka.
No, I saw it.
Uy, no more lights na sa hotel lang. Balong na ito. Dito ko one.
This is going to S Hotel and Residences. No talking, mama. Okay. This is Enveles Street. Look. Look, mama. This is... It's still Enveles. How to use a handsaw. Back to basics. You know. We're here in Esquina Banawa. We're here in Esquina Banawa. This is Petron Gas Station. This is Little Red Barn. This is Sundance Residences. Sundance Court Compound. Ako Bisaya. Wait, obvious. The day after Christmas, I'm going to cut these half laps using a handsaw. No. And this is going to Forest Hills. First Choice Medical. No. This is going to NC Taling. It's still Esquina Banawa.
Yours na yung Oreo ha? Kung yung tago.
No. Not yours ang Oreo. Yes. This is going to Good Shepherd.
Yeah.
This is V-Power. Joshua? No. No. At S Hotel, Joshua has wings.
Cupcake na mo.
Preparing the Krabby Patty. Are you ready? SpongeBob SquarePants. Scurvy ain't for the likes of me. Yahoo, 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 yahoo.
Yes, Josh. You're okay with Jollibee?
No.
Waiting long?
No.
Lincoln na mo.
No, not okay. Not okay. This is going to Paseo Arcenas, Casa Roseta.
Banano.
No. 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 What's on? No. Naughty and obedient. This is South Point Manor. Naughty and obedient.
Kung siya magka-vacuum
No.
mo. Okay naman ka. Hindi pa mga Disyembre pa rin.
Ay, sote. This is South Hills School. Like and subscribe and thumbs up and thanks for watching.
Yes.
No. You're already an adult.
Pwede na rin. Pamayan na ng please.
Tubig sige.
No. Natog sa'yo.
Ito sa'yo. Susun siya na.
No.
Umo ka?
Ay, sote.
You're a momo?
No.